The municipality of Naic, Cavite has set aside 40 million pesos to augment the national government's financial assistance amid the reimposed lockdown. While they are thankful for the government's aid, Mayor Junio Dualan noted the fund is insufficient. He explained it in a Facebook post. The mayor said it was based on an outdated census. Dualan expressed alarm over news that the fund may not be augmented by the national government. Local officials came up with this solution. In the same post, he explained how the 40 million pesos will be distributed to Naic residents.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.